All right, so let's dive right into this. You're running your business, things are going really well, and all of a sudden you need to track a shipment. But when you go to look for the tracking number,
oh no,
it's just not there. It's like, where is this package?
Right.
And then, of course, not just you're frustrated, but then your customer's frustrated.
Oh, absolutely.
So this is a really common problem that we see in businesses today, and we have an expert here to help us kind of break this down. Carmeline is an associate principal consultant, and she's seen a lot over her career. She's worked on hundreds of cases with Acumatica ERP systems.
Over 500, I've seen a lot.
Wow. So she really knows what she's talking about, and she's here to kind of walk us through a situation that she encountered while she was helping out Deanna Solutions. So Carmeline, the shipment details by customer report, should have all the information, right?
You want to know where your shipments are? That's what you need?
But the tracking numbers were just missing.
They were just gone.
How is that even possible?
Well, it's interesting because it wasn't like a system crash or anything like that.
Right.
It was something much simpler, but because it was simple, it was hard to find. So all the data was there, but the report just wasn't connecting the right pieces. It was pulling information from what we call the SO shipment table, which that gives you like the general overview of the shipment,
right.
When it shipped, what's in it, that kind of stuff. But it was completely ignoring what we call the SOP package detail table. And that's where the tracking numbers actually lived.
So it's like having a puzzle, right?
And if you don't understand how those tables are related within Acumatica, you would spend forever looking for those tracking numbers. So having expert support is so crucial.
Absolutely. So if you're listening to this and you're thinking, oh my gosh, this is me, I'm lost in the world of data.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with my Acumatica ERP system.
Yeah.
Don't worry, there are people who can help.
Absolutely.
Reach out to Tiana Solutions.
Yes.
That's actually where Carmeline works now.
That's right.
And they have a whole team that can help you untangle all these data relationships, get your processes streamlined, and make sure you're really getting the most out of that system. Give them a call at 678-910-2774.
Pleasure. Thanks for having me.